What's up guys, thank you. So a new OPPO phone with model number PBFM30 has appeared with full specification on the database of China Telecom Authority in China. The smartphone will be available in the market in at least pink and blue colors. It is fitted with a 6.2-inch display that produces Full HD Plus resolution. The display resolution suggests that it will be equipped with a notched screen at it could be an upcoming A series from the company. The OPPO PBFM30 smartphone is fueled by a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor that is assisted by 3 GB of RAM. It comes with an internal storage of 64 GB and there is a micro SD card slot for additional storage. The smartphone is pre-installed with Android 8.1 Oreo OS. The OPPO PFM30 has 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup. For capturing selfies, it has a front camera of 16 megapixel. The smartphone is also equipped with a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. The PBFM30 receives power from 4100 mAh battery. Since it is mid-range phone, it is unlikely to carry support for fast charging.